Gayatri's World Kitchen. I'm Gayatri.
And I'm Rahul.
And we are on a mission to help you eat healthy in a hurry.
And today we're going to make a simple grilled salad, a grilled vegetable salad with some wonderful warming spices that we're going to enjoy over arugula leaves.
It's perfect for a summer day and it's very refreshing. It's fresh, it's fast, and it's amazingly healthy.
So let's get to it. So one great tip that we have to save money is to buy what's in season and buy what's local. For example, we went to our local farmers market today and we were able to buy all of this stuff, candied onions, garlic, and beets, for some total of $5. So go see what your local farmers have and use that as part of your meals. For our vegetables today, we're going to use farm fresh yellow and green zucchini, some green beans, yes you can grill those, carrots, some grape tomatoes, and some mushrooms. And we're going to prep these in chunks. So for the zucchini, just take off the top and the bottom, and we're just going to slice these into about 3/4 inch chunks that will be easy to grill.
So big chunks.
Big chunks.
Are we using skewers for this, Rahul?
We're going to be doing these on the Rockcrok Grill Stone. And when we're ready, you'll see that we'll have it all layered, and we'll take a quick look at what that looks like. When your vegetables are ready, in a bowl, do your beets separately in a separate bowl because you don't want everything to be colored red. Go ahead and chop up some parsley, cilantro, and mint.
These are all fresh from the farm.
And we need these ready to go to make our vinaigrette, which we will do in a few minutes. Also have your Rockcrok Grill Stone ready and have your grill warmed up. And now to start the dressing. On the stove, in your 8-inch skillet, go ahead and start with 1/3 of a cup of the best oil that you can find.
Or your favorite one.
Your favorite one.
Ours is the Wegmans basting oil.
1/3 of a cup in a warm pan. Next, go ahead and put 2 cloves of garlic.
And they don't have to be peeled because this garlic press will take care of that for you. You don't have to peel your garlic, which is very nice.
And they just require quick squeezes. We're using the farm fresh garlic that we promised. And immediately as the garlic hits the oil, you will get the waft of a great cooked meal.
Smells
That's
amazing.
that. Then we're gonna go ahead and a little bit of ginger.
The zester
Freshly grated.
works really great.
The zester works really great for that, the microplane zester. And we don't need too much ginger, just a tad little bit. And finally, spices. Here we have caraway, cumin, paprika, cayenne.
And you know what? Spices are basically the way you get those aromatic and just delicious flavors. That's the key to whatever you're cooking.
So this is bubbling, and we're going to turn this off, and we're going to let this cool for a few minutes before we put this onto the vegetables. So that's all it takes to make the oil for grilling the veggies. Our oil and spices have cooled, and we're going to take about 2/3 of this and we're going to add it to our vegetables. So just drizzle that on and look at how wonderful that looks. And that's going to help our vegetables cook. And we're going to save the other 1/3 for later when we make the dressing. Put that other third on the side and go ahead and mix all the spices in with the vegetables.
Smells amazing.
And smells amazing. Just as the spices and the oils meet the vegetables, there's already a slight reaction happening there.
And look at the rainbow of colors of all the veggies. Yum.
And when you have it slightly mixed, go ahead and throw that on the Rockcrok Grill Stone. And once you're at the grill, have the grill be warmed on high. And go ahead and put your Rockcrok Grill Stone with all the wonderful veggies right in the middle of the grill. Shut it and walk away. Come back in about 10 minutes and give the veggies a little bit of a stir. And meanwhile, you can go back in and we're gonna make the dressing. And now for the dressing. The remainder 1/3 oil and spices that we had saved from earlier. Get that back in the bowl in which we had prepared the vegetables. Make sure you scrape out all the good bits. And it smells delicious, it smells wonderful. In your citrus press, 1.5 lemons. Just squeeze that fresh juice right out of there. And the freshness of the lemons when it meets those spices just releases a whole new depth of flavor. Second, and for the last little bit on into our dressing, all the wonderful herbs that we had cut up. So here we have cilantro, mint, parsley, and a little bit of scallion.
All farm fresh. Yum.
And when they're done on the grill, pull the grill stone off the grill using your Pampered Chef mitts, silicone mitts, and bring them to the table. Look at the wonderful colors. Start picking off the vegetables using your Pampered Chef tongs, silicone tongs, and drop them into the dressing. And
They
as
are
you do,
hot.
and as you do, go ahead and start mixing them up so that they start taking on the dressing. And that's it.